Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have watched my previous videos, we discussed the meaning, concept, definitions of training and development in human resource management. In today's video, we're going one step further by understanding why organizations spend so much money, so much time and effort in training their employees. Have you ever wondered why companies conduct induction programs, technical training, leadership workshops, soft skills training, or any safety programs? Is it just to improve employees' knowledge? The answer is definitely no. Organizations invest in training and development because it directly contributes to the success of the organization. Proper training improves employee performance. It will increase the productivity, thereby reduces the accidents and boosts the morale of the employees and prepare the employees for the future challenges. In this video, we will discuss the major objectives of training and development in detail with practical examples that are very much useful for BBA, MBA, MCOM, BCom, HR students, and those who are preparing for the competitive exams, UGC NET, APSET, or assistant professor examinations, and HR professionals. So, without any delay, let's begin today's session. Objectives of training and development. Before discussing each objective, let me first tell you what an objective generally means. Objectives are the specific goals that an organization wants to achieve by providing training to its employees. Every organization will expect a return on the investment made in training. So, therefore, HR designs training programs with clear objectives. Let us understand each objective one by one. One of the primary objectives, let me clearly show you, these are some of the objectives of the topic training and development. One of the primary objective is the boost productivity. This is the major objective where it is designed to increase employee productivity. Productivity, what do you mean by the term productivity? Productivity simply means producing more output with all the available resources while maintaining the quality. Many employees may have theoretical knowledge, but they lack practical skills. Through training, organizations can bridge this skill gap. In this training, what employees will learn? Employees will learn better working methods. They can be updated on the modern technologies. They can be efficient with the work practices. They know how to manage the time and they can develop or they can learn the problem solving techniques. As a result of all these training programs, work can be completed faster, errors can be reduced, product quality can be improvised, and the operational efficiency can also be increased. For example, imagine a manufacturing company where it's introducing new automated machinery. Without training, employees may struggle to operate it, leading to delays and defective products. After receiving careful and proper training only, employees confidently operate the machines, increasing productivity and thereby they can reduce the wastage. This demonstrates how training and development improves the productivity. And second one is increased satisfaction. What satisfaction? Employee satisfaction. Another important objective is improving the employee satisfaction and morale. Employees feel motivated when organizations invest in their learning and career growth. Here, training helps in gaining confidence in employees. It will help employees in improving the knowledge. They can perform better, they can earn recognition, and they can also prepare for promotions as well. Satisfied employees develop a stronger emotional connection with their organization. What is the result of this? So when employee satisfaction is improved, or when an employee job satisfaction is increased, his morale improves, his motivation rises, his loyalty towards the organization strengthens. Therefore, the employee turnover obviously decreases. Say, for example, if a company provides leadership training to employees before promoting them, employees, how they'll feel? They'll feel valued because the organization is investing in their future. There increases commitment and obviously reduces the chances of employee leaving the organization. Remember, happy employees or productive employees. So that's what increasing the job satisfaction of the employee is another important objective of this training and development. Third important objective is taking care of health and safety. Training also plays a key role in maintaining health and safety at the workplace. As we all know that every organization is responsible for ensuring safety of the employee. Through safety training, employees will learn how to handle the equipment very safely. They know how to behave in the how to behave or act during emergency procedures, during fire safety, or regarding the first aid, or identification of hazards, or even personal protective equipment usage, how they can use their personal protective equipment. These safety training, whenever employees are provided training on the safety, it will obviously reduces the accidents in the workplace or injuries to the employees or even the damage to the machinery or any other legal issues or compensation costs. All this can be reduced. It also helps organizations to comply with the government safety rules and regulations. Say, for example, if you observe hospitals, nurses and technicians receive regular infection control training. Similarly, if you consider the construction workers, they are trained to wear helmets, gloves, or safety harnesses. All these training programs generally prevent accidents and thereby they all will save lives. And the fourth important objective is to prevent obsolescence. The final objective is preventing employee obsolescence. What do you generally mean this term obsolescence? Obsolescence means employee skills or becoming outdated because of the changes in the technology, because of automation. Nowadays, we can see artificial intelligence, introduction of new softwares, or the changing practices in the business environment. As we all know that technology is changing day by day. If employees continue working with the old methods, they may become less productive. So, therefore, organizations will regularly conduct training programs to update the knowledge of the employees. Hence, we can see training helps employees in several ways. It is helping the employees to learn new technologies. It is helping them to adapt to digital transformation. It is helping them to improve innovations and to stay competitive in the world. I can tell you this with a beautiful example. Say, for example, banks have shifted from the manual transactions to the digital banking. See, when, as we all say that businesses are dynamic in nature, they keep on changes as per the changes according to the changes in the environmental factors, right? So, employees receive training when these banks are shifted from the manual transactions to the digital banking. They have received training on the internet banking, mobile banking, and even cyber security and all the digital payment systems. Without such training, they cannot survive or they cannot serve the customers efficiently. Thus, continuous learning helps employees remain relevant in this today's competitive world. So these are the four major objectives of training and development. Training, remember, my dear learners, training is not an expense, it is an investment. Organizations that continuously train their employees develop a skilled workforce. They'll improve organizational performance and gain a competitive advantage. I hope today's session helped you understand the objectives of training and development in a very simple and practical manner. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you will never miss upcoming videos. In our next video, we're going to discuss some more topics on the concept training and development along with the real life examples and examination oriented explanations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.